Hey Bumble, guess what? Guess what? We got a surprise package from the Washi Tape Shop. Do you want to open it with me? What's that you say? Yes? Cool. Stick around if you want to see us open this box. I thought you deserved a Bumble sighting since I have had a lot of complaints that you don't see her anymore. Yeah, she is upstairs a lot and I'm in the basement, so. But we have a package here. Whoops, sorry Bumble. From the Washi Tape Shop. And it's always so exciting to get these in the mail. So say goodbye to Bumble because she doesn't really want to be in my lap anymore. She's like, yeah, I've had enough of this, Mommy. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Let's check it out. I opened it and peeked, but I didn't look at anything. Ooh, look at this. I wonder what that is. Wait, can I guess? It feels like playing cards, but I don't think it's that. That's a really cute little package. Ooh, another one. Ooh, two more. Wait, what are these? They feel like, well, let's open them. I'll show you this in a minute. I like these little bags. I will be using these for something else. Ooh, it's a stamp. I don't think the Washi Tape Shop has ever sent me stamps before, so this is cool. I'm not a huge stamper, but I really need to start trying more because I know a lot of you want to see that. So anyway, this is what this one looks like. I mean, you can't tell from this side at all. Look, can't tell. This is like squishy, a little squishy. This is what it looks like. It's like a floral wreath. Very pretty. Let's check out what this one is. Oh, it's a butterfly. Before I show you the butterfly or go any further, you can use code BUMBLE10 to get 10% off your order at the Washi Tape Shop. Really good stuff at that shop. I have been getting stuff from them for years and years. I mean, not years and years, about 3 years now. And I love everything they send me. It's always really nice quality. So here's the butterfly. I'll link everything in the description box so that you can get to it. But isn't that cute? Look. This third one is smaller. We have another butterfly. Look. This is a profile. Side view butterfly. Really cute. So those are the 3 stamps. I think those are the only stamps they sent me. Now let's see what else is in this box. I have no idea. It's a surprise, like I said. Let's open up the other thing that isn't washi tape. There's this thing. I don't know what this is. It's like a book or something. It is a book. I believe it's a coloring book, but we'll check it out in a second here. It's like a matte finish cover, and there's this really pretty girl on the front. It says designed in collaboration with artist Yi Fan, and I do not know if I pronounced that right, but this is a really pretty cover. It's very hard, so let's see what it is. It's like these beautiful, I think it's a coloring book, these beautiful women. Look at them. So pretty, so chic. Look at them. These are the exact opposite of me. I'm just saying. That's maybe closer to me, but not even close to me. I'll find one in here that's me. I'll find the one that's most me. It is definitely not that. But these are high fashion women. Look at these women. That one looks evil. Look at her. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that bow. That looks like kind of like my first wedding dress. A little. Ooh. She's like styling. They're all styling. Ooh. Look at that big bow. That's crazy. She looks like a spy. Nice. She's on the move. She's in a hurry. That might be me. Let's see. Ooh, she has like stockings on, like really high stockings. These are pretty cool. I will say, they're kind of neat. There's a lot of pages in here, and they're all different. Oh, that's the last one. I think that one on the move is me, because I'm like kind of this one, because I'm like a businessy lady, right? I'm like a planner boss on the move, always trying to get to my next video. I don't know. Anyway, that's a pretty cool little coloring book. I'll have to look it up on the site and figure out what this is, but it's all going to be, like I said, in the description box so you can check it out. That's really neat. Okay, So there's 3 rolls of washi tape, 3 sets, I should say. So let's check out the first set. Ready? Sorry, I get out of control. Ooh, that's a hint. That's a hint. Look, looks like a comic. Let's see what this is all about. Whoa, they always get away from me when I open them. I was right. It is like comics. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm gonna swatch them for you though. This is what they look like before they're swatched. And now I'm gonna take a moment and swatch them out so you can see each one in detail. And so I can see each one in detail. These have like a retro comic book sort of vibe. They kind of remind me of like 60s. I don't know. I'm not really great at decades, but that's what it reminds me of anyway. 50s, 60s. Each one is like a different theme. The top one is like movie night, cinema with popcorn. The second one is music with like a drum set, instruments. The third one is barbecue. The fourth one is like a bunch of girls. What's that girl? We Can Do It. Rosie, oh my gosh. Rosie Riveter, that is her. It's sort of like that, you know, like girl power. We're like tough, strong girls. And then the last one is camping. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring it up close to the camera so you can see. This is all of them. Which one is your favorite out of those? I think my favorite is probably the girls, and then the barbecue. That one's really cool. I like them all though. Really cute. Okay, next up, we have 2 more sets. Let's look at them. Get a little sneak peek, right? I'm gonna save this one for last because I think I'm gonna really like that one too. It's like a van. Ooh. So let's do the floral one first. The first one in this pack is washi tape stickers. So they're really cute, like vintagey postage stamps with florals and like stuff with writing on them. So I'll show you. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 designs. Okay, so that is all of those. This next one is stickers as well. Each of these little designs is an individual sticker. So let's check out these. That says with love. Okay, that's those. They're really pretty. They're very delicate, right? I like the washi tape stickers because you get so many on these rolls. And since they're washi tape, they're very easy to take off your page if you change your mind and want to use something else. And I like that they're so thin because they don't take up much space in your planner. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't make your planner too thick. So yeah. This next one looks like tape, I think, instead of stickers. Sometimes the sets have all stickers and sometimes they have tape and stickers. And sometimes they have all tape. It just depends. So let's take a look at this tape. I like the colors in that. Real pretty. And then this one looks like tape as well. So let's put this one out too. And this one is all about like the different flowers and, you know, it's like a gardening one. It talks about planting and stuff like that. And this is just such a pretty vintagey floral vibe. Okay, so that is that second pack. Now I have one more pack to show you. And like I said, this one looks kind of interesting. I like washi tapes that are fun. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like the delicate ones too. Like those florals are so pretty. I could absolutely see, especially using this. But I have a lot of floral washi tape. I love it all, don't get me wrong. But it's always fun to get ones that are a little bit, you know, more fun and whimsical. So we'll see what this one is. These have a camping vibe. I think these are like camping, but they're kind of pastel. So this is what they look like on the rolls. And now I'm going to swatch them out for you. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're not all camping like I thought. There's a camping one up there. Then we have mountains. Look at that one. That's really cool. There's tiny little goats. Look at that, a little goat. No, is that a deer? There's maybe a goat. I don't know. I thought I saw a goat. And the bears, like that's really cute. And then we have some rowboats here, fishing, and then a bicycle with a fence. And then these cute little vans, they look like they're going on vacation. And it's all kind of very muted pastels. So I really like those. They're interesting and different. So thank you very much, Washi Tape Shop, for all of the cool stuff you sent me. You guys let me know in the comments what was your favorite. I think my favorite were those comic book ones. I think those are really, really cool and retro vintage kind of stuff. And I like that. I also really love this one. That's really cute. Anyway, yeah, let me know which one's your favorite, and all the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to use that code Bumble10 to save 10% off your order. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.